Hey guys, this is your buddy Deepak, and today I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to share with you a simple method which can help you to get more engagement on Facebook, and it can definitely help you to build better relationships on social media, and in turn leading to more people getting to join your business. So let's get started. If you are new here, if you are coming for the first time on my YouTube, if you're watching all this on YouTube, I suggest you to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified on priority about the online related online different ideas about and the strategies about making money online. And if you're watching on Facebook, do follow me for my regular updates where I post these videos. I actually been doing on Facebook, and I have built entire my business. 80 to 90% of my business is coming from building my brand on the Facebook. And what I realized is it's a great source of free traffic. So if you are looking for starting to build your online business, I highly suggest you to be on Facebook, become more visible, engage with people and build relationships, and from there you can start. We all know that Facebook has a great feature where the birthday notifications are shown. So we get to know which of our friends they have birthday today. Now it's understood that we can't remember each and everyone's birthday by like we can't remember them, but you will get the notifications on Facebook. And normally what we do is we see birthdays are special. Okay, birthdays are very special for that person. So if you can remember someone's birthday, if you can wish them on the birthday, then they will definitely remember you, and it's a great way to start the relationships between two of you. Normally what we do is we either go to that person's wall and we just write the birthday wish, and then that person, maybe he sees and he comments on that. That is one way of doing this. Another way which I found it very effective because of the way Facebook works is, rather than commenting on that person's wall, why not to send him or her a private message in the messenger and wishing them a birthday with a nice GIF or whatever of your choice. How about that? Because Facebook will recognize that, okay, these guys, they know each other. And since you are private messaging that person, it will definitely be more visible in the algorithms of Facebook. And next time you post something, or next time your friend posts something, the chances of you seeing that post, chances of your post getting visibility will be very, very higher compared to just you commenting on that person's wall. So this is something which is really simple, but it can be very, very effective for starting to build up relationships and for increasing your engagement. So let me know your thoughts about this. I have recently tried implementing this strategy and I'm getting quite good results, I would say. So let me know your feedbacks about how you find this strategy, and also what are your thoughts? What do you think? What are the things that you think which will definitely help to get more engagement on Facebook? Let me know in the comments section. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so. See you. Thanks for watching.